Hey, and welcome to English Coffee House. I'm Daria.
And I'm Chris. We're really happy you're here with us.
Get comfortable.
And let's start with today's conversation.
I had one of those mornings where I sat down with my coffee, opened my laptop, and somehow ended up cleaning my kitchen.
Oh, I know that exact move. It feels productive, but it's not the thing you planned to do.
Exactly. And the funny part is, the kitchen didn't even need to be cleaned that badly. It just suddenly felt urgent.
It's like the mind goes, let's do something safe, something we can finish, because cleaning has an ending.
Yes, you can see the result right away. But the thing I was avoiding was a writing task. And writing doesn't give you that quick feeling of done.
Writing is open. You sit there and there's no clear path. It can feel like standing in front of a blank wall.
That's a good image. And it's also quiet in a way that makes you notice your thoughts. Like, what if this is not good?
The fear is subtle, but it's there. Not panic, just a slow discomfort.
And then your brain offers you small exits, like checking messages or making another cup of coffee, or apparently scrubbing the sink.
The sink is very persuasive.
It really is. It's like it's saying, look at me, I'm dirty, I'm clearly the priority.
Do you feel like you procrastinate more when the task is important?
Yes, if it's something simple, I can do it. But if it matters to me, I get more dramatic about it inside my head.
Same. If it's important, you want it to be good. And good feels heavy.
Heavy is the perfect word. It's not just a task. It becomes like a reflection of you.
And then the mind starts making it bigger than it is, like this email will decide my entire future.
Yes, you write one sentence and it's like you're writing your whole personality.
I've done that. I delay sending a message because I'm trying to choose the right tone. Friendly, but not too friendly. Clear, but not cold.
And you read it again and again, and suddenly 10 minutes are gone.
Then you start thinking, why am I like this? Which doesn't help.
That question never helps. It just adds another layer of stress.
I wonder if procrastination is sometimes a way to protect yourself.
From failing?
From failing, yes, but also from starting. Because once you start, you can't pretend it's still perfect in your head.
That's so true. In your head, the idea is beautiful. And once it's real, it's imperfect.
And imperfection is uncomfortable.
It's also normal, but it still doesn't feel nice when you're the one doing it.
What do you do when you notice you're procrastinating?
Sometimes I try to be honest with myself, like, okay, you're avoiding this, and I ask, what part is bothering you?
That sounds calm. I usually just get annoyed at myself first.
I do that too sometimes, but lately I'm trying to be a bit gentler. If I'm avoiding something, there's usually a reason.
Like what?
Like, I don't know how to begin, or I don't know what the right version is, or I'm tired and I don't want to admit it.
Tired is a big one. When I'm tired, everything feels more difficult, even small tasks.
Yes, and then procrastination looks like laziness, but it's not. It's more like your energy is low and you don't want a hard feeling.
I like that phrase, a hard feeling. Some tasks come with tension.
Exactly. And if you're already a little overwhelmed, you don't want extra tension.
Do you think procrastination is always bad?
No, sometimes it's just a signal, like slow down or this needs to be broken into smaller pieces.
Or maybe this isn't the right time.
Yes, although sometimes I say that and it's not true.
Same. Not the right time can be a very polite excuse.
A very elegant excuse.
I think the tricky part is knowing the difference between needing a break and avoiding discomfort.
Because both can look the same from the outside.
And from the inside, too, honestly.
True, sometimes I'll tell myself I'm taking a break, but I'm not resting. I'm just scrolling, feeling guilty.
That's the worst kind of break. You finish it more tired than before.
Exactly. It's like you're not really anywhere. Not working, not resting.
When I have those moments, I sometimes do something very small, like open the document. Not write, just open it.
That's smart. Just make contact with it.
Yeah, like saying hello to the task without committing to a relationship.
That's such a funny way to put it.
It's true, though. You don't have to marry the task, just sit with it.
I like that. I do something similar. I'll write a terrible first sentence on purpose, like, this is my messy start.
That takes pressure away because then it's already imperfect and you survived.
Exactly. The fear gets smaller once something exists on the page.
And sometimes once you start, you realize it wasn't as scary as it felt.
Yes, the feeling before starting is often worse than the task itself.
It's like standing outside in the cold, looking at the water, thinking it'll be freezing, and then you jump in and it's okay.
I love that comparison, and it's so accurate. The waiting is the painful part.
Do you think our environment affects procrastination? Like where we are, the mood, the noise?
Definitely. If my space feels chaotic, my brain feels chaotic. But also, if it's too comfortable, I get sleepy.
Same. A soft couch is not a place for ambitious plans.
No, the couch is honest. It wants you to watch something and disappear.
And it's very convincing.
It is. But a table, a cup of coffee, a little light, that makes me feel like I can begin.
It's like creating a small ritual. Not strict, just familiar.
Yes, familiar is the key word. Once something feels familiar, it feels less threatening.
And maybe procrastination is partly about fear of the unknown, not knowing how it'll go.
That makes sense. When you don't know how it will go, you stay in the place you know, even if it's not great.
Like cleaning the kitchen.
Like cleaning the kitchen.
I feel like procrastination is also connected to identity. Like I'm the kind of person who works well under pressure.
Oh, yes, people say that with pride.
And sometimes it's true, but sometimes it's just a story we tell ourselves to make stress feel meaningful.
Yes, like making it romantic. I wait until the last minute and then magic happens.
And then you suffer for 2 days and promise yourself you'll never do it again.
And then you do it again.
Exactly.
I think there's something very human about it. We're not machines. We have feelings about what we do.
And sometimes those feelings get in the way.
Or they ask for attention.
That's nicer than saying get in the way.
I'm trying to be nicer today.
I can hear that.
But I'm not always like this. Ask me when I have a deadline tomorrow.
Then you'll be like, why is life so unfair?
Exactly. Very dramatic.
Still calm, though. Calm drama.
Calm drama is my brand.
Mine too, actually. I complain quietly.
The quiet complaining is almost worse somehow.
Because it's internal. You're suffering silently with a polite face.
Yes, meanwhile, your brain is screaming
And then you reply to someone's message like, sure, no problem.
with a smiley face.
While your soul is tired.
So maybe procrastination is not just about time management, it's emotional management.
I think so. It's about how you handle discomfort, fear, tiredness, all of that.
And maybe the first step is just noticing it without panic.
Noticing it and maybe understanding what you're really avoiding.
Yeah, sometimes it's the task, but sometimes it's the feeling the task brings.
And the feeling can be surprisingly big.
It can be, but it can also soften when you sit with it for a moment.
Like letting your eyes adjust in a dark room.
You don't need to run out. You can just stay and things become clearer.
That feels true, and it makes the whole thing feel less like a personal failure and more like a human pattern.
A human pattern, yeah. One that shows up in small ways, like a clean kitchen.
Or an email that takes 1 hour.
Or a document that stays unopened for 3 days.
And then one day you open it. And it's not perfect, but it exists.
And somehow that's enough to move forward a little.
A little is already something.
Yeah, it really is.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
We really enjoyed having you here and sharing this conversation.
Keep listening
And we'll see you soon.
here at English Coffee House.